You they see your life. You they see your life. You they see your life. And they advise you every day. You don't want to take her. You say you won't kill yourself because say your friend get document. Joshua get document. Emmanuel get document. Augustine get document. Christian get document. Say you won't kill yourself. Let me tell you. Not be all document be document. Not be all document be document. Not be all document be document. Don't go kill yourself because of personal problem. See, people did their whole document and problem the whole. See, let me tell you, 50% of people will hold document for this country not be original. The remaining 50% now original. Let me differentiate them for you. Because I remember for Bible, I don't say it will be inside Bible. I don't say it did because I hear on that time say God not they start waiting not go finish. If God starts something, you already finish them. See people when you they gossip, when you they already heavy, say they get document. Check a lot of them. So whole 5 year document. You know how many times they don't go interview, say they won't go work, they know they give their work. You know how many times they don't go look for house, make they use a rent, make contracts day, they know they give them. You know why? Because no be original document. Now go kill yourself because of people problem. So people hold 5 year document problem they hold. So people hold document that they new one. Another 5 years, 6 years, they know they use as they work. Now then you go see person where hold 6 months or journal, they go sign 5 years contract for them. It go they work. You never know say that document not be original one. When you go get sense, when you go get sense, let me tell you, anything when God start, they already finish. Let me tell you how to know people when you hold original document. If God give you document inside that boat, and then they give you the document, then they give you work follow. They will give you life contract. You go to work. Clean, you go to everything go to smooth. See people, how can God give you document after 5 years? He expire. You still put up for renew. They wait for another 5 years. You know the reason they work. No work, nothing. Anywhere you go, say you want to do something, then they give you the work. You just hold on. Even some people wait hold document for this country. Most of them, and then they suffer pass. You will see person you go hold 5 years document. You go to score with person who hold 6 months. Person who hold 6 months go get house. You wait hold 5 years. You don't get house. You will go squad for person who hold 6 months. You never know say that document not be original one. See, if they carry mirror on this syrup, make they open and make you see how this syrup to the rotate, you go even the fear to get document. When you go get sense, see, you never check, go check your own village. You will see, say, even people when they go church where when you know that time, all they are picking when they here. A lot of them, they don't get document. But if you check the other way around, people will be say, they do 1 or 2 things that time, they don't say, this family, they are rugged and risky. You know what I mean, huh? A lot of them, they hold document. For you to know, say, there is difference between original document and fake document. See, how patient may God give you your document. Once God give you document, if they give work follow, if they give peace, unity, everything will enjoy life. See, God better remain for that your 6 months with peace than they give you 10 years document with pieces. See, let me tell you, you're not going to heavy anybody when you see. Not be all document be document for this country. Because so get the way they get that document. How can somebody hold document? You know the reason they travel go Nigeria. 5 years, you expire, they knew I'm again. You go say, I never want to go. Now lie, Oswald. You just a believer. Now lie, now so they tell him. If he come more hard for waiting, they tell him. They go collect the document back. Even some people will put document for the need to give them. Now problem. You didn't not marry. See, now they deceive me. You not deceive me again. I better remain like this. Say, I don't get document. I hold 6 months. I get peace with my family. Then I can hold 10 years document. I can't get problem every day just because. And let me tell you, some people hold document for this country. They go put up for the new. They not go give them. You know why? Because their mother or their father refused to pay the sacrifice. Oswald, you don't know how everything got document. Let me even shock you again. Some people get document for this country. They don't even know how to get document. The reason I'm waiting to talk. Let me give the document. You never see where person go just progress. He don't even know how his success still come. Maybe like grandma or his papa, they stand for her for back. He don't know. He don't know, but he teach they book for her. But maybe their mother or their father, they call and say, bring money, oh. He will say, money not there, oh. Just because of those for their mother or their father, they will come on hand for where they put hand before for them. Think go to have them. Just play, make you get better document. Nothing like God document. When God give you document, everything, all the door will open. Not the heavy person will hold document, not all document be document. How can somebody hold document? Once they give another comment, now tattoo they use that they draw for body. They use that they renew tattoo every year. They use that they collect different guests. You don't forget your mama, you don't forget your family. You don't even know how to give a document to. That family don't refuse to renew the thing when they first give them. Also, when I say when I hear yeah, problem when I get, I don't even know how the problem they come, how the problem they come on. Let me tell you, once you pay your dues, everything will they move. Once you refuse to pay your dues, things go they come down. Let me tell you, the good advice for you is to hold God. If God give you documents, everything, all the doors will open. So Nigeria women, how many times did I call now? Where una go get sense? Where una go get sense? Why it be say if something no involve money, some Nigeria women they no dey involve themselves for inside. Both straight hair come, they buy. That one not my problem. iPhone 11, iPhone 12 come, they buy. Even when they know say they don't fit use them, not to use a snap picture, they buy. That one not my problem. My problem now it be ghetto. Now ghetto come dey rain online. Anywhere you go down na ghetto, they say they won't get fit. Where una go get sense? Where una go get sense? Una won't get fit. Una go dey buy ghetto because they buy and involve money. And another easy way dey when God bring when you support they kill your belly. No, Nigeria women they don't go gree do that one because it no involve money. Well, now go get sense. Well, now go get sense. Even Oyibo when do ghetto, they know they even they fix ghetto. They already do exercise. See Oyibo go come out in the morning, run for their domo to train station, run come back just to kill their belly. But Nigerian women, you can never see Nigerian women when they run for their domo, go train station, come back just to kill their belly. No, because that one they not go pay put, they not go involve money. But if they tell Nigerian women say from your domo to train station, the street where you want follow, go train station, come back, do the exercise. Say now 200 euro every 2 weeks. All the women will pack come out. They won't do the exercise because now where they go kill their husband money, where they go consume their husband money. Now let that place they always they involve. If you cause he say Manuel don't pay 200 euro now, may you wife till they do exercise, go train station, it will put problem for your neck. You know they say Manuel wife, he don't register for a wife. Well, you know what make I keep my belly. But now free now to go straight station, come back and exercise now. They not go do or to involve money. Well, now like be like this. Why would I like be like this year? If you don't get sense this year, I don't get sense.